How to add Instagram to your TikTok profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily add your Instagram account on your TikTok profile. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's get started with the video. First thing first, open up your TikTok app, and once you are on your TikTok, you just have to head over to your profile section by tapping on the bottom right corner. Then you'll see an option called TikTok edit profile. Just tap on it, and once you get to your edit profile, as you can see, there is no option to add Instagram as of now. But what you can do is first turn your TikTok profile into a creator profile. So for that, you just have to tap on the three lines at the top right and then head over to settings and privacy. Click on account section and switch it to business account. Click on it. And then from here, you're going to have to keep tapping on next. Click on continue and choose what kind of profile you want to build. So let's say I just select gaming for now. Tap on next. And then here you're going to have to add an email address. I'm just going to skip it for now. You could add your bio. I'm just going to skip all of these for now. So you can view your business suite from here. Now, once you go back and tap on edit profile, here you'll have an option to add action buttons. So click on action buttons, and from here you could add your email, phone number, or address. And then from here you just want to head over to links and then add your Instagram link right here. Click on Instagram and it will open up your Instagram directly. Then just log into your Instagram from here and then click on login, and you should be able to add your Instagram right there. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.